Hi everyone, welcome to a new video by Original Video Reviews. I'm the OVR guy, and in this video I'm going to show you a new chair that I purchased for myself. It will replace my current gaming chair, which is this one. I'm going to donate this chair, and from now on I will use the noblechairs icon gaming chair. In this video I will show you how to assemble it, how it works, and I will share with you what I think about it. So let's begin. But first, let's get this chair out of here. Well, what you see here is the package that contains the noblechairs icon gaming chair. It's approximately 30 kilos, so trust me, it's very heavy. Let's unbox this thing. The documentation is an illustrated user manual that shows each of the parts and how to assemble the chair. I'm going to follow these steps, plus you can find the user manual in the full review on my website. This box includes many accessories that will help you to assemble the noblechairs icon. I really like that everything comes so organized, but I'm not surprised because this thing is designed in Germany. Let's see which accessories are included in this box. I will explain about each of these parts and accessories while assembling the chair. So this is the seat of the noblechairs icon gaming chair, and I can tell you that you can feel already this is a quality chair that is made from quality materials. And you can see that I chose the black and gold version of this seat. I really like the combination of colors, but all the other colors, all of them look great. And I'm gonna turn this thing around because we need to connect it to the other part that I just showed you. At the bottom of the seat we will connect this seat mechanism. It is made from solid metal, so it is quite heavy. We're gonna need this toolkit. Let's see what we have in it. This is a double head hex and Phillips key. The Phillips side fits to the M5 screws and the hex side fits to the M8 screws. Now we will use 4 of the M8 screws. Make sure to place the seat mechanism so the hole is facing the back of the chair. Make sure the screws are inserted properly and are aligned into the holes. It's also much easier to tighten the screws when they're inserted properly into the holes. You see these two handles, we're gonna place them now. Insert the handles so they will face the front of the chair. One side, other side. So I think we're ready to go to the base. Let's move this thing. Looks like a starfish. These are the castor wheels of the icon. As you can see, there are 5 of them. Let's take a close look at the wheels of the noblechairs icon gaming chair. It's a very easy task to insert the wheels, and let's see how this thing rolls. Yeah, it looks great. Now we're gonna use these 2 parts to connect between the base and the seat of the chair. This is the piston arm of the chair. This side, the wide side, it plugs into the base, and the slim side, this one goes to the bottom part of the seat. And this is the cover, so we're gonna place this thing inside, and you can already see that this thing folds and unfolds. Let's place it. You can see that this is the wide side, goes easily inside. Now place the cover, don't forget the cover, that's it. You can see that this is the seat, and you can see the hole inside. It begins to look like a proper gaming chair. Now it's time to connect between the seat itself and the back of the seat. These two, they're connecting to the back of the seat, and you need to make sure don't place your hands and don't play with it. And you're gonna watch this video and see me do that. And if something happens to me, so do the opposite. Do the exact opposite so it won't happen to you. The back of the seat looks really good, and it looks noble because it's a noble chair as a gaming chair, and it's also the same materials. It's PU leather, and the stitching and everything seems to be in the exact place, and you can notice that this is a quality chair. You can see that on each side of the back of the seat there are two M8 20mm screws. You need to take everything out, including these circle metal discs. Now we need these metal parts to be straight, so we need to raise it. Be very careful, because what you saw now is me almost losing my hands right now. You can see that it says caution, so this side, be very careful with it. This side is loose, so you make sure that you only work with the loose part. You don't touch this, otherwise you're gonna lose your fingers like I almost did now. It's a bit difficult to rotate this tool because it's very close to this plastic part when you're almost locking it completely. Seems good. After doing that, we're gonna cover those metal parts with these plastic covers. To do that, we're gonna need two M5 16mm Phillips screws. Each of these screws goes into this hole. Replace the cover. It will be much more convenient to use a normal Phillips screwdriver. This part is locked. You can see tiny metal particles that appeared because I put pressure on the screws. That's it, we completed to assemble the chair. While I'm demonstrating the chair and having fun with it, I can tell you that I'm using the Icon for several months, and it is an excellent chair. I managed to find the right posture that is comfortable for me, and it justifies every cent I paid for it. Like most gaming chairs, this one comes with two cushions, one for the lower back and one for the back of your head. This is the lower back cushion. It's made from quality sponge, and you have these two attachment cables. At the tip of each one you have this hook, which you're gonna insert like this. You can detach each one of them. So this is the lower back cushion, and we're gonna place the head cushion. This is the head cushion, and I press it, and it seems to be from good quality sponge. You have this clip and elastic stripe. So let's place it. The Icon has deformation-resistant, breathable cold foam upholstery, and although the material is from good quality, keep in mind that the PU leather doesn't absorb sweat, so if it gets hot, I have to turn on the air condition, otherwise it isn't convenient to sit on it. armrests offer 4D movement, and I'm sure you will be able to find the right position for you. They're big enough to place your arms conveniently, or you can choose to lower them so they won't interrupt your work. Oh, and one more thing, I strongly recommend you to wipe the chair every once in a while because it absorbs dust quickly. Well, boys and girls, this was my video review of the noblechairs Icon gaming chair. For more details about it, please check the full review on my website www.originalvideoreviews.com. If you have any more questions about the noblechairs Icon, I invite you to comment on this video and I will do my best to help you with that. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on the other social networks. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye.